Hello, I'm Nivea from Sunflower Crochet. Today I want to show you how to crochet from total beginner. If you're left-handed like me, you're gonna find it very easy to follow. Here I have a yarn. You can use any yarn you have at home, okay? And just make sure you use a crochet hook that is ideal for the thickness of your yarn. If you're not sure how to choose, in your label here of your yarn, you're gonna see it. Here is recommended 2 to 4 millimeters, so I have here 3 millimeter, going to be fine. I'll show you how I hold the yarn on my hand. You go ahead and try many ways, the way you feel comfortable, the way you feel like you feel more stability. Alright, that's how I do. You don't have to do exactly like I do. Find your way, okay? But I'm showing you, if you wanna do like this, I hold like this and I press with my thumb and my middle finger here. Keep it not too tight, okay, because you have to pass your hook under, always under the yarn, to grab your yarn. Keep your hook, holding your hook like that, with this tip down, because it's how you're gonna grab your yarn. Okay, I hold the hook like that. Some people hold like that. Anyway, is also correct. So let's start. I'm gonna show you how to do a slip knot. That's what you need to start your chain. So next step, I'm going to show you how to chain. Let's start. You pass your hook under the yarn. I'll turn, okay, clockwise. I'll hold here to give me a little bit of stability. I'll pass under. So that's how I start my slip knot. I'll show you again. Don't panic. I'll show you a much easier way to do. Okay, if you're not too familiar yet with your crochet hook, but don't worry, you're gonna be very soon. Under the yarn, your crochet hook, clockwise. Don't leave it too tight. It's gonna be hard for you if you leave it too tight like that. So leave it loose, okay? Hold here. Let me focus again. Loose, hold here. Remember the tip of the hook down, under, and pull through. And that's it. And you pull a little bit. Don't leave it too loose and not too tight for you to start your chain. Now I'm gonna show you a easier way. Some people prefer to do like that. No problem. You can do like that. You grab your yarn. It's like you're gonna make a knot, okay, like that, and you pull 2 tips like that, okay, and you put your hook, insert your hook. So I'm gonna show you again, and then you can go back on the video and see how many times you want, and practice it. Like that. Slip knot. Get familiar with those terms, with those names, because you're gonna hear this a lot. Slip knot, chain. Those are the basics of crochet. Okay, now I have my slip knot. I keep my tip of my hook down. I hold here with my thumb. Doesn't matter if you use your finger like that, Okay, doesn't matter if you do like that. Some people do like that. I like to keep it closer to my fingers like that. You pass your hook under the yarn and pull through the loop. Yeah, under the yarn, pull through the loop. I'm making it very loose in order for you to see that it's easier to do like that. It may not look so good, but it's not the point right now. The point is for you to learn the technique. Don't worry how it looks at the beginning. If you're a perfectionist like me, you're gonna suffer a little bit at the beginning, but you're gonna get there, don't worry. I'm losing the focus. Yeah, okay, sorry I missed it. So you always pass your hook under the yarn and pull through the loop. Oh, here I have a better focus. Yeah, through the loop, under the yarn, pass through the loop. I'll try to do to hold the yarn and the hook in a different way, just to show you that it's total possible for you to find your comfortable way of holding the yarn and the crochet hook. I don't have much practice on this way, but that's how it goes. Okay. Very soon you're going to be able to do it much faster and tighter. Usually that's how I do. See that I keep the tip of my hook always down. Make it much easier for me to work. And you can do as many chain as you want, just to practice it at home. And remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up if you like this video for more updates.